Meaning of happy hour.
Happy hour.
Happy hour.
Happy hour.
Happy hour. Happy hour is a designated time in a bar or restaurant, usually in the late afternoon or early evening, where drinks and sometimes food are offered at discounted prices. The purpose of a happy hour is to attract more customers during slower times of the day and provide an opportunity for them to socialize with friends and colleagues after work. It's a popular way for people to unwind, relax, and enjoy a few drinks with friends before heading home. Happy hour specials often include beer, wine, cocktails, and appetizers, making it an affordable way to have fun with friends.